Hi, I'm Kent Sweeting, and today I'll show you how to take great orthotic scans using the 3DsizeME app from TechMed. Together with the structure sensor attachment from Occipital and QOL's ScanMate, you'll have highly accurate scanning tools at your fingertips. Once you've downloaded the 3DsizeME app from the App Store, you can open it and go to Settings. In Settings, you need to change the user ID to your clinic name, and bundle ID needs to be QOL001. Go down to Scan Box Placement Strategy and change that to Automatic. At Scan with Colour, change that to Texture, and Landmarks, change to Small. At Display Scan Preview, you want to toggle that button across so it's green, and the same with Skip Picture Edit, that button needs to be green. Upload target, save locally, and use new IMED format, that button needs to be green. You can then close out of the settings and open up a new patient. Once you've created your new patient, you can select which foot you're going to start scanning and press this icon to take a scan of the foot. You can then press the green Start button to start scanning. So as you can see, we have the patient set up in the ScanMate ready to go. To start scanning, you want to be about 50 to 60 centimetres back from the foot. When you are in the right position, this red target will turn green and the colour gradient comes on the foot. Now press Start. As you scan, the relevant areas will be painted white. Slowly sweep the iPad around to the left and the right. The app will let you know if you're going too fast. If you move too quickly or move the iPad too close or too far away, it won't scan correctly. So once you're happy that the foot is all painted white, capturing the posterior heel, the lateral aspect, the plantar contours, and the medial aspect, you can press Done. You can then preview your scan to see that you've captured the whole foot. So if you want your orthotic to have a particular accommodation, such as a navicular accommodation, you can just cut out some semi-compressed felt and attach that onto the foot exactly where you want that accommodation to be. Then go ahead and scan that foot. Once you're happy that you've scanned both feet, you can press the cloud button in the top right-hand corner, which saves it to your iPad. From there, you can use the My QOL portal to upload your scans and prescription. So as you can see, using the 3DsizeME app, along with the QOL ScanMate and structure sensor attachment, this gives you the best possible scans. There's more information here on our website, or give us a call at QOL.